Hi friends, Travis here. If you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you, and of course, if you've been here before, welcome back. If at any point you like what you see, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. For today's video, we have a cabin tour. This is Adventure of the Seas, room 2235, a comfy little studio cabin on deck 2. Let's go ahead and check it out. We'll start at the back of the door. You've got information about your muster station and all that stuff as usual. A couple of hooks there. Coming down the hallway here, there's just a little bit of a hallway coming in. And then you've got a vanity, the TV, a towel animal sometimes. And then, you know, the chair and the phone and everything. And here we have shelving, as well as the hair dryer. And then in this little one, we've got the safe. And down here you have the refrigerator. It's actually not a refrigerator, it's more of like a cooler, so it doesn't get that cold. So don't expect to put perishables or anything in there, but it'll keep, you know, like your water or whatever at a cooler temperature than the room would. This is the closet. On this side, we've got hang up stuff. That's all you get with this solo studio, is this single closet to hang stuff. And then there's the life jacket. This door opens up to more shelving. And then we've got the bed. This is bigger than you would get if you were splitting the bed in half in a normal size room, but smaller than the double configuration. Lamp on the wall. There are light switch controls there. No power by the bed. The only power that you have is here on the vanity. A couple of US outlets, and then one that you can put an adapter in, it looks like. And also the vanity light control is there as well. On this wall, we've got the bathroom. It's a standard sized bathroom. Light switch is on this side of the door, which I found kind of annoying, but you know, it's fine. And then the bathroom, on this side we've got the vanity, all the usual stuff there. A couple of mirrors, the sink, some shelving storage here on the side, and there's the little scrubber for the toilet. Speaking of toilets, we've got that there. And in this room, like a lot of the newer Royal Caribbean ships, not that this is that new, but anyway, it has one of the shower pods, which is way better than curtains. And this size is adequate. Not the biggest, but certainly not the smallest. And yeah, that's really it. Oh, this is your only table here in the corner. There's no actual nightstand by the bed. They need the clearance for the closet doors to open, so that goes over there instead. I think it's pretty good for most people. If you're a solo traveler, you can save some money by staying in one of these rooms. And yeah, artwork on the wall, etc. But that's it. I want to thank you all for traveling with me. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all those fun things. We'll talk soon, and y'all have a good night.